Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. We got something in from Hosim RC. Let's take a closer look and see what's inside. There you have it guys, Hosim. This is number X07. This is supposed to be a 1/10 scale brushless monster truck. Sports race, brushless. Power gears, brushless motor, CVDs, metal. We got 3 kilogram servo, 7.4 lithium ion battery, and a 45 amp brushless speed controller. Let's take a look at the box really quick. Comes in blue and red. I believe I got the red one here. It's got a wheelie bar, heat sink on the motor, it's got lights, oil shocks, 1/10 scale, 37 millimeters long, width is 30 millimeters, height 165 to 145 millimeter, wheel width 60 millimeters. Let's open it up, see what it looks like. Oh, that's a funky box. That's how it's packaged. Really good. See, these come off. I guess this is strapped down. Oh no, just comes out. The radio's in here. Car looks pretty nice. It's not quite 1/10 scale. It looks like 1/12 to me. There's the radio. Ziploc bag. Show you it here. I got left and right trim, percentage trim, I guess that's an EPA maybe, and speed, adjustable speed, 4 AAs, typical radio, and we got the servo reversing. Here it is. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Oh wee, what's this? Aluminum plate on the front. Boy, this one even got aluminum, the steering knuckles and the rear knuckles are aluminum. That's nice. Let's take off the body. Nice clips with those little pull tab things. Oh, wait a minute. What the heck? They asked me if I wanted the red or blue one, but it gave me a red and blue body. I don't know if they come in two, but that's what they come with, I guess. I don't know. Maybe they just sent me that. I don't know. But let's see here. They come with a protective coating, so they're going to look a lot better when you pull it off. Oh yeah. Look at that. Shiny. Pretty nice. Silver undercoated, that's nice. Colors pop. Alright, here she is. Let me get in the camera here. She got oil shocks. Awesome. I got a few Hosim cars. They were all good. And I encouraged them to start getting the cars with oil shocks. And actually they started doing that. So that's awesome on their latest cars. It's got aluminum bell crank steering. I don't know if you could see it in there. All aluminum swing arms, thick metal, everything. It's got metal CVDs. It's got a lot of metal. Heat sink on the motor. This looks like a 380 size motor in here. Let me see if I could show you the steering up here. It's hard to see, but it is all aluminum, so that's nice. And the lights in the front integrated in the bumper are cool. It's got a nice wheelie bar, flexible. Everything's real flexible. Look at this, guys. How about the chassis? Chassis is stiff. Look at those lipos. Let's take them out. I got a strap here. Holy, that's a big one. 5,200 milliamp hours. I'm guessing this thing's gonna run long. It's 7.4 volts, 25C. That's a big pack for one of these. That's nice. Straps in with the Velcro strap. There's the ESC. Pretty good. It's got a cap on it and everything. The servo right there is a normal 3-wire servo. Tires, feel it. Yeah, they got foams in them, guys. Tires are soft. Let's do a drop test here. Yeah, look at the suspension on it. It's got oil shocks. That's nice. See the A-arms, how they flex. Yep, lots of flex, so they shouldn't break. Metal drive shaft. Feels pretty smooth. Alright, let's see what else they give you in this bag here. USB charger, a T-wrench, some extra nuts and clips and little Phillips head screwdrivers. Nice instruction manual. Tells you everything, so read that when you get it. This is awesome. They give you a LiPo safe charge bag. Find my X-Acto knife. Well, I'll have to use this scissor here. That's awesome, they're giving these with the cars. Put your battery right inside this beauty. Just like that. The wire out the side. When you're charging that sucker up, no fire in the house. That's good. Alright, I'm going to put some A's in here. See if this has any juice just to rev it up. My good old A battery bin there. It's probably 50% charged for shipping. I think nowadays they put them even less than that. She's on. Let me just plug this in really fast. Dean's connectors. That's awesome. Alright. She's on. You press this little red button down here on the ESC. And there she goes. There's the lights. Awesome. Let's see how she goes. This ain't fully charged, but we're gonna see it. Now, sounds smooth. Oh. Holy smokes, guys, this thing is gonna fly. Let me give it another floor real quick. Let me make sure it's on all the way. Yep. Ready? Here she goes. Look at that wheel. That's gonna be quick. Let me see if this is a speed adjustment here, this center knob here. I don't know what that is. I think this might be it. Yeah. This knob here, all the way to the left, is a speed knob. You can see now I have it turned down. Slow for if you have kids. Well, that's the new Hosim truck I got in the brushless. And I never seen one come with such a huge battery. It's awesome. And that LiPo bag and everything. 3-wire servo. Also, guys, it has aluminum. The front on the A-arms. The holders for the screws that go through. The pins. Everything's aluminum, so when you hit, it's strong. On the rear, too. The pins are held in with aluminum bracing. Man, I can't wait to try this one. This one's actually looking pretty darn good. Hosim looks like they're stepping up their game. But, alrighty guys, that's the Hosim truck, brushless, 1/10 scale. Keep an eye out. I'm gonna have a video real soon. I'm gonna bash it really good. We'll see how fast it is and how it holds up. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. If you're new watching, please subscribe for more of my videos so you don't miss them. Hit that bell. And thank you, Hosim, for sending this in. Guys, leave a comment if you could. If you have any questions, let me know. And this is a... I can't see, I need glasses on, but I think it's a 3000 kV motor. Let me check real quick. Old man, where's the glasses? There they are. 3800 kV motor. 3800 kV motor, brushless in this beauty. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Keep a lookout for the bashing video. It's gonna come up soon. See you next time. Gen RC out. Thanks, Hosim. Later.